There's so much in life I've left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I would find a will to stand for every dream and forsake a solid ground, and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I'd surrender everything to you, the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 dreams, I still believe. And when you give them all to me, I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. I know I can't survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on, and now I need to live the truth right now. There's no better time from this